Hi everyone, my name is Anton Slesarev and I'm head of engineering of Yandex autonomous vehicle project. And today we will speak. Oh, it's not working. Oh, cool. Sorry about it. Today we will speak about self-driving. I think nobody can argue that autonomous driving technology completely change transportation. We don't need parking lots anymore because vehicles can drive to our location. Time in a vehicle will be much more comfortable. We can spend time with our family, business partners, or just look our favorite TV series without anybody inside the car who can be uncomfortable to be this. So, actually it's not working. Maybe slowly. First of all, a few words about Yandex. Yandex is #1 IT company in Europe. We have many different products such as search engine, classified, e-commerce. But what is more important for our today's discussion, we have geo services such as maps. We have our own ride-hailing services, taxi, which is also #1 in Russia and some CIS countries. And that's why we decide to work on autonomous driving. Autonomous driving is a technology to replace human driver. It's a combination of software and hardware, and it's a really challenging technology. You need to take into account so many sources of information to make proper driving decision. And just to make some insights about how complex scenarios we should work with, I would like to show some cases our autopilot see almost every day. And it's a small town in the center of Russia with narrow streets and quiet traffic. Almost nobody here, yes? But this is a tractor driving opposite side direction on a roundabout. And it's not a single case. I see so many opposite driving direction in this location than anywhere else. We don't stop our testing even during a winter. It's a common situation in Innopolis. And animals, small hares, they are really unpredictable and hard to detect. And we need to stop in front of them also. It's one of my favorite examples. It's one-way road, two bicyclists driving opposite direction. Our vehicle changed lane and did it before our safety engineer realized that it's two bicyclists. He even would like to make a note, unreasonable lane change. So it's first time when our AI overcome safety engineer. So I really like that. In different countries and cities, there are so many conditions you need to work with. It's a dust storm in Israel. One more video. Tel Aviv, great roads, great lane marks, but problem is the same. It's one-way road, and it's a violator. Our autopilot need to detect violator and stop before. One more example, it's Las Vegas. Las Vegas has a very noisy environment in terms of light. a lot of advertisement, neon lighting, and it's a party bus. And green lights on party bus looks like traffic lights, especially if you don't see the context. So to recognize traffic lights, you need to think about party buses also. And last video, it's a really fresh video. We've seen it 2 days ago. I've never expected to see such kind of people in the middle of the road. We need to work with them also. So, self-driving is a challenging technology. Just brief overview of components of self-driving. To provide robust technology, we need localization. We need to know where we're situated. We would like to make a perception. Perception is about creating model of environment, detecting all obstacles, pedestrians, vehicles, and so on. But it's not enough. We need to predict future of environment, and it's about prediction. Other person are going to cross the road, where that car are going to stop. It's all about prediction. After that, we use model of environment and put it inside a decision-making subsystem or planning subsystem. And planning choose the best trajectory to drive. And finally, control, the last component. It's about executing trajectory with whole physical constraints of the car. And another important component is HD maps. Different companies means different things in HD maps, but the fact that it's a really great source of information, we can use HD maps to improve our perception, planning, and localization, and so on and so on. So another really important piece of technology is hardware. It's impossible to do self-driving without exploiting the best sensors we have. It's a visualization of our roof with sensors mounted on it. You can see some lidars and cameras, and combining data from different sensors, such as cameras, radars, or lidars, are key to achieve precise and robust perception. And what about deployment? What about current state of situation, current state of technology? So we deployed vehicle into different location. We have two places where you can order a taxi from a regular application. It's in Napolis, small town in the center of Russia, and Skolkovo. It's a town next to Moscow. But it's not enough. We are going to expand our fleet as fast as possible, because data collected from different countries are invaluable. We made a demo in Las Vegas during a CES. And next thing we are going to expand our fleet is to Tel Aviv, to Israel. First month of testing our technology proved that it's a really great place to achieve new situations we've never seen before. I want to show you a short video about expanding. And last slide, I just want to announce that we are opening R&D center in Israel. It's the first R&D center for autonomous cars development outside Russia and CIS, and we are hiring. We are looking for talented people, talented machine learning and software engineers. Please feel free to go through the link or ask our general manager of autonomous vehicle division in Israel, Eli Osherovich, any questions you want, or send your CV. Thank you for your attention.